Hey guys, Jeremy here from Pure Plumbing. Today we're installing Rinnai 26 Touch on behalf of Trade Hub. One of the first things you want to check installing a natural gas heater is the gas service. You want to make sure it's got gas, the pipe size is adequate, you're going to have enough load in the system to accommodate for the heater. They're roughly between 200 and 250 megajoules per heater, so they really chew the gas. The existing gas service was a 1-inch galvanised line, which you can see is corroded through. What we've done is we put a new 20mm copper line from the meter straight through to the new hot water heater with 20mm pipe, which is going to be sufficient to cover the load of the heater. So in here we have the old galvanised gas line, which was very badly corroded and leaking gas. We've replaced it with the new copper service. Okay, so we're going to disconnect the existing gas hot water service. So the first thing we need to do is isolate the gas supply and the water supply. You're going to need a shifter to disconnect the existing service. I'll start with the gas. Disconnecting the cold water supply. So we're going to disconnect the cold water service from the heater. You can see the water's coming out down here. Hot water will scald, so you want to make sure you release the temperature and pressure relief valve. Disconnecting the Kinko nuts. Disconnecting the hot water outlet on the Kinko nut. Hot water is going to drain out the cold water outlet, so be careful. So here we have the brand new Rinnai 26 Touch continuous flow hot water heater. 6-star energy efficient hot water heater, which is designed to save you money on your gas bill. Continuous flow heaters are really great. They don't have a pilot light, they've got an electric ignition and a sensor switch, so when water passes through the heater will fire up and then produce your hot water. You'll never run out of hot water with one of these. The great thing about these heaters is their small compact design. As you can see, you've got a large storage heater here taking up a lot of room. When installing an instantaneous hot water heater, you've got to check the clearances from openings to windows, doors, and any opening into the building. You can find that in the general installation instructions. One of the great things about the Rinnai 26 Touch is you can set the temperature with this remote. Great for those with young kids. It also omits the need for a tempering valve or a thermostatic mixing valve. When installing the heater, you want to make sure it's level. Here we've installed the cold water shutoff, the gas shutoff. We've lock sealed a 3/4 gas number 3 and a 3/4 water number 3. Using a copper crimp system, you can crimp joins in about 4 seconds. You don't get burns on any of your cladding. You can have your pipes in situ and crimp them watertight the first time, every time. Okay, so we've connected the gas inlet, the cold water inlet, and the hot water outlet. We fixed the heater to the wall using saddles. It's a nice neat installation. You've just got to wait for the electrician to come to connect the power supply. We'd just like to thank Trade Hub for covering the installation of the Rinnai. Until next time.